Yo, Grove Street fan. This is Grove Street English. And CJ is out running the heat in Los Santos. He's feeling his day like a boss. You're about to master talking your daily grind using slang and smooth English. You'll see the standard version of every question and answer on the screen. I'm dropping 10 questions. Answer loud. Cause my teacher ears hear you worldwide. Socialize and let's run this city. CJ is kicking off his Los Santos hustle, the slang online. It's part 1, morning moves. Answer these 10 questions out loud to follow like him. I'll drive CJ's vibe, show slang and standard English. When you pop out of bed, yo, I bounce at 6 a.m. Ready to slang a day. Your turn. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. Prepared to start the day. Using an alarm or just feeling the vibe. Alarm's my wingman, but I'm up before it sometimes. Do you set an alarm or wake naturally? I set an alarm, but occasionally wake up naturally. You hype in the AM or straight chillin'? I'm low-key dragon till I splash some water. Your turn. Are you energetic in the morning or relaxed? I feel tired until I wash my face. What's your face play when you rise? I stretch, guzzle juice, and throw on some drip. What's the first thing you do after waking? I stretch, drink water, and get dressed. You're cleaning the crib or leaving it wild. I fix the bed, keep the spot looking. Your turn. Do you make your bed or leave it messy? I make my bed to keep the room neat. You hit in the shower, morning or night? Morning rings to spark the grind you. Do you shower in the morning or evening? I shower in the morning to start the day. What's the breakfast game looking like? I scoop some eggs and bread. Keep it a straight fire. Your turn. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat eggs and toast. Simple but good. You sipping something to get turned in the AM? Coffee's my jam. Gets me lit for the hustle. Do you drink to wake up? I drink coffee to wake up for the day. You breaking bread solo or with the squad? Sometimes solo, sometimes with my homies. Your turn. Do you eat breakfast alone or with others? I eat alone or with family, depending on the day. How long does your morning hustle take? About an hour to get fly and dip. How long is your morning routine? About an hour to get ready and leave. Grove Street fan. You're just trying serious Los Santos morning moves, dropping 10 answers with slang and smooth English. You're talking natural like a pro now. Keep sharing your story to own every convo. Dive into our other lessons, like Speak English with CJ and Ryder, Speak English confidently, GT style. Links below. Comment your favorite phrase, and tell us your daily walk. Keep running the blog, fam. Peace out.